Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about what is an LCD display. Okay. Nowadays we are all always use the devices which are all made up of LCDs such as CD players, DVD players, digital watches and also etc. Okay. Today we are going to learn how LCD display works and what is the principle behind the LCD and how to interface the LCD to Arduino, our microcontroller. Here I am using microcontroller name is Arduino UNO. We are all know about working function of Arduino microcontroller in our previous classes. Okay, now let's start. What is an LCD display? First, LCD model. What is the name? What stands for LCD? That stands for liquid crystal display. That means LCD. Okay. It's also one kind of electronic display model. Most of us we have used to come across these displays in our day-to-day life. For example, as I already said, digital watches, calculators, PCs, and etc. Okay, and also it's a very cheap price. Okay, availability and programmer are user friendly. These are all commonly used in the screen industries to replace the utilization of CRTs. Okay, the LCD models are commonly used in the screen industries to replace the utilization of CRTs. CRT means it's nothing but cathode ray tube. Okay, it's consumes huge power when compared to LCD display. Okay, and also cathode ray tube also heavier as well as bigger. Okay, that's why we are moving to LCD, liquid crystal display model. And also LCD devices are thinner as well as power consumption is extremely less. That's why we are going to an LCD model compared to CRT, cathode ray tube. Okay. So, what are the features of LCD model? Okay. So, operating voltage is 4.7 volt to 5.3 volt. We are all know any models working, it's need a power supply that gives an voltage. So, operating voltages of LCD model is 4.7 volt to 5.3 volt. And also, current consumption is 1 milliamp without backlight. And also it consists of two rows and each row can print 16 characters. Here, here we are going to LCD model, many type of LCD models available. Here we are going to use an 16 cross 2 model. That way 16 cross 2, that means 2 rows and also 16 columns. Okay, so the operating voltages of LCD models 4.7 volt to 5.3 volt. Current consumption is 1 milliamp without backlight. Alphanumeric LCD display model also available. That means it display the alphabets and also numbers. Okay, so 16 cross 2 LCD model we are using. So it has 2 rows and 16 columns. That means each row can print 16 characters. So each character is built by a 15 cross 8 pixel box. We are all know what's mean by pixel. So each character, 16 characters we print on our LCD. So each character is built by 5 cross 8 pixel box and also can work on both 8-bit and 4-bit mode. I am later telling what is the 8-bit and 4-bit mode. And also it's obtainable blue and green backlight. Okay, so it displays the few custom character generator. So these are the features of LCD model. Here we are using 16 cross 2 LCD model. Okay, so 16 cross 2 LCD. So 16 cross 2 LCD is named. So The 16 cross 2 LCD is named so because it has 16 columns and 2 rows. As I am already said, it has 16 columns and 2 rows. It can display 32 characters. Each row display a 16 characters. So there are lot of combinations available in LCD model like 8 cross 1, 8 cross 2. That means 8 columns, 1 rows. 8 cross 2 means 8 column, 2 rows. It can display 16 characters. 10 cross 2 means 10 columns, 2 rows. So it can display 20 characters in that LCD model. So other one 16 cross 1. So that means it can display 16 characters and so on. Most we are used in the LCDs 16 cross 2 LCDs. So it will have 32 characters. Each character will be made up of 15 cross 8 pixels dot. As same I already said, it has 5 cross 8 pixels dots, right? So we know that each character has 5 cross 8 pixels dots. That means 40. So 40 for 32 characters, we will have 1280 pixels, right? Each character has 40 pixels and for 32 characters, we will have 1280 pixels. Okay, so further the LCD should also be the instructed about the position of the pixels. It will be a hectic task to handle everything with the help of the microcontroller unit. Okay, and also these displays are mainly preferred for multi-segment light emitting diodes and also 7-segment display. Okay, the main benefits of these using these models are very inexpensive. I am already said the LCD models are cheap price. So the main benefits of this using of these models are inexpensive and also simply programmable animations. There are no limitations for displaying the custom characters, special and even animations. Okay, that's why we are using 16 cross 2 LCD model. Okay, what are the working principle behind the LCD model? So, LCD model working principle is it blocks the light rather than the dissipate. Okay, it blocks the light rather than the dissipate. While constructing the LCDs or reflected mirror is arranged at the back. An electrode plate is made up of indium tin oxide which is kept on top and a polarized glass with a polarizing film is also added on the bottom of the device. Okay. The major principles of LCD working principle is it blocks the light. While constructing the LCD, the reflected mirror are placed in the backside. An electrode plane is made up of indium tin oxide which also kept on a top, and also the polarized glass is polarizing film also added on the bottom of the device. This is how the working principle of LCD models. Okay. So these are the pin diagrams of LCD models. Okay. Here we are using 16 cross 2 LCD models. These are the LCD model. It has 16 pins. Okay. 0 to 15 pins. That means 16 pin it has. Okay. So 15 pins are VSS. That means ground. VCC we all know it's a power supply pin. VEE means contrast controller. And what is the pin? We are discussing later. And also register select and read and write pin, enable pin. Enable pin is always high. We are using the program or LCD to controller. Okay. So we are kept in mind enable pin is also high. And also T0 to T7 it's a data pin. These pins are used to connect the microcontroller digital pins. Okay, so T0 to T7, 8 pins are used in a used data sent to the microcontroller, and last two pins are LED plus and minus are LED is a 5 volt supply and LED is a ground. Okay, these are the pin diagram of LCD display. Now let's see what is the pins are doing. So first pin we are all know VSS, that ground. So ground pin of the LCD module is always connected to the ground pin of the Arduino, right? Then VCC means 5 volt power supply. They are all know Arduino has a power supplying voltage is 3.3 volt to 5 volt. LCD has 4.3 volt, 4.7 volt to 5.3 volt. So here we are giving 5 volt. So 5 volt of LCD connected to the Arduino 5 volt. Then contrast controller. Pin 3 is a contrast control pin. It regulates the difference of display. I am showing how to adjust this pin and how to it displays. Okay, it used to connect the potentiometer to varying the display differences. Okay, these pins are used to regulate the difference of display. Then pin 4. Pin 4 is a register select. So register select, that means this pin toggles the command or data register. Okay, this pin toggles the command or data register. It also used to connect the microcontroller unit. Okay, so as I said, these pins are command and also data pins. Command register means it will be update 0 means it will give a data mode. 1 means it will give a command mode. Okay, in later how to it work and how to connect an Arduino board. Pin 5. Pin 5 is a read and write pin. Okay. So read and write pin, it's also this pin toggles the read and write operations and also is used to connect the microcontroller. So it updates 0 means it stays in a write operations. 1 means it gives an read operations. Okay. So pin 5 is the read and write operation pin and pin 6 is the enable pin. As I already said, it should be held in a high. It's always high. Okay, it's enable or control pin. Then D0 to D7, that means 7 to 14th pins are digital data pins that are connected to the our microcontroller. Then LED and LED plus and LED minus are LED 5 volt and also it's a ground. Okay. So these are the these are the pin diagram of LCD display. That it has a 16 pin it has. So first pins are ground, and another one is a 5 volt, and third one is a contrast controller. It regulates the difference of the display. And register select. Okay, so now I'm said register select we discuss later. So register select, that means it mainly used to change the from one register to another. Okay, it's mainly used to change the one register to another register. Okay, as I'm already said, it has a two mode. One is a register mode, another one is a command mode. Register mode, register 0 means it has a data mode. 1 means it's a command mode. So command register. So first command register. The main function of the command register is to store the instruction of the command which are given to the display. Okay, what we are given to the display, that's instructed to the command register. Okay, the main function of the command register is to store the instruction of command which are given to the display so that the predefined tasks can be performed such as clearing the display and also initializing, set the cursor place and display controller. These are all under in the command register window, command register mode. So second one is the one means data mode. So data mode means data register means it's also store the information which is to be exhibited on the LCD screen. Okay, here ASCII values of the character is the information which is to be exhibited on the screen of LCD. Whenever we send the information to the LCD, it transmits to the data register, and then the process will be starting. Therefore, when the register set equal to 1, the data register will be select. Okay, are you understand? So that means whenever we send the information to the LCD, first it transmits to the data register, and then the process will be starting the when register set equal to 1, then the data register will be select. Okay, these are the register select mode. Okay, then another one is the read and write mode. It has 0 means write operation has happening, and 1 means read operations. Then another one is enable pin. It always in high. Okay, so D0 to D7 is a digital pin, and LED plus and LED minus are corresponding pins given to the Arduino plus 5 volt and also ground volt. Okay, now let's see the connections of the Arduino UNO microcontroller to our LCD 16 cross 2 LCD module. So these are the circuit diagram of the LCD module 2 with Arduino board. Okay, so here we are taking 16 cross LCD module, and here the Arduino UNO board. Okay, we are all know the external power jack means it has given to the power supply. So ground pin. Here we are going to given connections. So VSS means it has a ground pin. So it has a to connected to the ground pin. Then VCC 5 volt is given to the. Then VE means it's a contrast controller. As I'm already said, it connected to the potentiometer to vary the contrast of the display. So here we are connecting the one resistor to potentiometer. Then our register select is connected to the 12th pin. Okay, so read and write operation here should be grounded. So enable pin we are always said, I'm already said it's connected to the high. So enable pin is connected to the 12th pin of the Arduino. Here, as I'm already said, it like a two modes, like right 8-bit mode and also 4-bit mode. Here we are using only 4-bit mode. Okay, so D4 to D7, the 4 pins are connected to the Arduino 2, 3, 4, 5 corresponding pin of the Arduino, and also LED is connected in one resistor to 5 volt, and also LED minus pin is connected to the ground. Okay, the connections, the circuit connections of the Arduino and LCD modules is done. Okay, now let's move the software part, how to write the code and upload to the Arduino, and how to display the board. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now I'm opening the Arduino IDE. We are all know IDE means Integrated Development Environment. We are all know about what is an Arduino IDE. It's a cross-platform. It can run in a Windows, Mac OS, and also Linux operating system. So here I am using Arduino IDE for programming our microcontroller. Okay, we are all know about these icons and also how to program on it. Here I am going to write a program on LCD display. Okay, first we are going to initialize. That means here we are going to include the library. That means here we are using the library name is liquid crystal.h library. Okay, so first I am writing library file. So it means hash so first include the library file. So hash include liquid crystal.h. Okay. So hash include liquid crystal.h. Here I am using the library. It's a predefined one. It's a header file, right? So h means it's a header file. So here L is a caps. Okay. and also C also capital. So here I am using small L means it's anything color change. In predefined functions are this automatically color changes. Okay, so L is the caps and also C also caps. Here I am using small C means anything changes in that line. So I am using capital C. So the color changes. So first we include the liquid crystal torch library file. And then we have to initialize the file, right? So here I am writing liquid crystal LCD and our Arduino pins. Okay. So I am writing liquid crystal LCD of our pins. Here we are I am using 13th pin, comma 12th pin, 11. Here I am using 6 pins, 13, 12, 11, 10 and also 9, 8. Okay, 13, 12, 11. Here the 11, 10, 9, 8. These pins are the data pins. It's connected to the digital pin of the Arduino. And also the 13 and 12th pin. 12th pin is the enable pin. It's always connected to the high. So it's enable pin. 13 pin is the register select pin. That means data command or register command. Data register or a command register. Okay. Here anything color changes. So here I am writing L is a capital and also C also capital. So first we initialize the library file including the library file and also we initialize the pin mode. We are all know these pins are given to the our Arduino to LCD display. So here liquid crystal LCD of here these 6 pins 4 wire mode is 4-bit mode is given to the Arduino board. Okay, once our initializing over, then here we are writing our pin mode. Here we are writing LCD dot begin. Okay, LCD dot begin of 16, 1. Okay. Now in our ordinary program, here we are writing serial dot begin and also the baud rate. Okay. Why we are writing the baud rate means that range it will given to the serial monitor. We are opening the serial monitor. We give to the serial dot begin. So here also LCD dot begin means whatever given to the our program it display on the LCD that works on the this line. Okay, so LCD dot begin 16, 1. This line shows the our what we are including the our program. Okay, so LCD dot begin of 16, 1. Sorry, 16, 2. 16, 2 because we are using 16 cross 2 model. Okay, so LCD dot begin it's over. So our code is our while setup function is finished. Then while loop. While loop we are given what we have to print on our LCD model. Okay, so before that we are writing LCD dot set cursor. Okay, LCD dot set cursor. Okay, so LCD dot set cursor. Here I am writing 0, 2. So LCD dot set cursor the function is what we are given to the LCD display have to show. This is the rows and columns. Okay, 0th column, second rows. It will be shown what we are given to this LCD dot print line. So that's shown in the 0th column, second row. Okay, that's why we are including the LCD dot set cursor. I'm already said it has a 16 columns and 2 rows, 32 characters it will be displayed. Now I am writing set cursor what, because it what we are writing in our code, it displays on the 0th column second rows. Okay, so LCD dot set cursor 0 comma 2. Then what we have to print, LCD dot print. I am writing retake. So LCD dot print of retake I am writing. Here the retake is print in a 0th column and second row. Okay. So these are our code. Okay. Here we are going to compile and then upload to our Arduino board, and how to run. Okay, so first it's a very simple program. First we include the library file. That library file name is liquidcrystal.h. It's a header file. Okay, h means we are know it's a header file. Then in previous sensor connectors, it means first we have to initialize the pin. What are the pins are given to the our controller. Sensor pin is what pin is connected in the controller. So here I am also writing the liquid crystal LCD of 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. These four pins are connected in a data pins. That means it's connected to the 4-bit mode is connected to the our Arduino board. Then 12th and 13th pin. 12th pin is a enable pin. It's always high. It's connected to our Arduino pin. And also 13th pin is a register selected pin. Okay. Then we are moving to voice setup. We are on no voice setup. What our code run in a once. It will be written in a under the voice setup. Right. So here I am writing LCD.begin. LCD.begin means here what type of LCD we have to taken. Here we have to taken 16 cross 2 LCD taken. So that's why I am writing 16 comma 2. So LCD.begin 16 comma 2. So while setup function is closed. Then while loop. While loop we have to open the. Then here we have to writing LCD.set cursor. So 0 comma 2. Okay. So what we have to display. I am going to display the retake in a 0th column second row. Okay. So this is our program. So first we have to save the program. So now I am saving the code. So LCD display. So done saving is so. So now I'm going to compile our code. We are now this is a compiler. This one is a uploader file, right? So I'm going to verify our code. So the code is there is no error. Okay. So here is shown done compiling. That means our code is no error. Okay, then upload. Before uploading, we have to check our COM port. Okay, what board we have to choose. Here I am chosen Arduino UNO. Then port. Here I am not connected in any Arduino port. So here, so it's not showing any port. Okay. So our code is compiling successfully. So now let's move the hardware section. So now I am connecting the Arduino to the our CPU. So it's ocean port. So here COM3 is our port. Okay. So now let's move on hardware section. These are the hardware requirements. First we have to take LCD display. So as I already said before, it has a 16 pins. Okay. So enable pin always high and 14 pins are data pins to connected through our Arduino UNO. Then this is a Arduino UNO board we have to taken. So it has a 6 analog pins and also 14 digital pins. Then this is the USB cable. It's used to connect the Arduino and also our CPU for power supply and also transfer the data. So as I am already writing the code, LCD of 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 11. Okay. So 4 data pins are connected through our Arduino and 13, 12 is a enable pin. It always held to be high and 13 pins always reset select pin. Okay. So I am now connecting to the our Arduino pin. So first I am connected. So this is the third pin of our LCD display. As I am already said, it is the contrast controller. It regulates the difference display. Okay, I am show in our code. Okay, so this is our connection. So now I am going to give a power supply. So through our USB cable. So this is the USB port of our Arduino, and it's connected through our CPU. So now our connection is over. Okay. So here there is no display. First we have to uploading our code. Okay. So first I am uploading our code. As I am already said, here I am also check our port. So it's COM3. So then we have to upload our code. So this is the upload icon and click. So here shown on done uploading. So once done uploading, it shows an output. So this is here I am writing retake. This is our print function. So and now I am using the 0, 2. So 0 means is a 0th column. Second one is a second row. So here also the output will be displayed on the second row and also 0th column. Okay. So now I am changing the column. So here I am 2 columns. So retake is printed in a second column and also second row. Okay. So after finishing, we have to upload our code. So done uploading. So after uploading, we see in our output. It shows on a second column, second row. It's display the retake. Okay. Second column, second row. It will be displayed. Now I am including another function. Okay, we are all know LCD.begin is one function, LCD.setCursor is also one function. Here now I am also including one function is a setCursor display. Okay, scroll display left or right. Okay, scroll display left. Just one. Then it's given one delay of 1 millisecond. 1 second. So in scroll display, A should be a small letter and D and left L is a caps. Okay. So now after changing our code, we have to upload our code. So our code is uploaded successfully. So here shown on done uploading. So our retake is a scroll on a left. So now I am writing another function, scroll display of right. Okay. So LCD dot scroll display right. Okay, and also give a some delay. Okay, so now I am uploading our code. So it's gonna done uploading. So it's scroll right side. Okay, that's all about LCD programming. Thank you.